Getting LASIK for me has been a miracle. They restored vision that I have not had in 30 years and never thought I would ever have again.
You know, it's just changed every aspect of everyday life. I mean, not having the hassle of having to get up and put contacts in and out, you know, being able to go swimming, you know, without having to worry about that, not having to carry around glasses or cases. I mean, Dr. Whiting's my hero. I mean, this is the closest thing I've ever experienced to a miracle.
To actually get it done, I still think I'm going to wake up and it's gone, but it's, you know, it really happened. It's true. It's a miracle for me. I was so blind before.
My experience now is every day I wonder how it is that people can see this well. And to me, that's like a miracle that I have never experienced in my memory. I was a kid the last time I could see clearly, so there is a power that is letting me do it now, and that was Dr. Whiting's power.
It's been wonderful. It's life-changing. I'd say it's pretty miraculous. I love it.